Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to explain you how to create login form for your Microsoft Access database. Actually here I'm going to explain how to record login details. Here I mean by using this method you can record your users login time and logout time in detail. By using this method, you can easily monitor login details very easily. So, before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So, I'll explain step by step how to create this kind of login form with login details. So you can apply this method to your own Access databases. To do this task, you need to create two tables. So my first table is TBL user. Now I am going to create my first table. So here, go to design view. In your default table, then you need to save your table as TBL user. Then table fields, you need to design your table fields like this. So the first field is ID. So there data type you need to set as auto number, and the second field is username. Their data type is short text, and the third field is user login. Data type is short text. Then the fourth field is user type. There you need to set data type as number. Then the final field is user password. Here data type is short text, but as this is a password, so you need to hide the letters, or you need to hide the password, user's password. So there you need to add the input mask. So here under below properties window, field properties window, you can see this kind of window. There under the general tab you can see a option called input mask. Then click on these three dots. Then you can see this kind of menu. Here you need to select password, then press next. After that, click finish. So now we added input mask for our user password field successfully. Now we finished design. Now we designed our first table. Now save your table and go to datasheet view. Now your user table is like this. Then close the user table. Now you need to create another table called TBL login details. Then click on the create tab. Then click on the table. So then click on the save button. Then you need to save your table as TBL login details. Press OK. Now again we need to design fields for your table. So here go to the design view. Here my first field is login ID. login ID, data type is auto number, then after that user login, data type is short text, third one is login date time, data type is, you need to select date and time, then the final field is logout, date and time. There are also data type is date and time. Now you save your table and go to datasheet view. Now you can see your login details table like this. Now we design two tables for our login form. First one is TBL user and the second table is TBL login details. So the next step is you need to create forms. Okay, you need to create forms. For the forms, so the main form is login form. So there I want to design my form like this. Click on the create button. So under the more forms, you need to select model dialog. So then you can see this kind of form. So there I want to add a form header like this. Then I want to change the color to just say dark purple. Then I want to add a label. I want to name my form as, I want to name my form as login form. Then I'll increase the font size. I want to set my font color to white. Now I want to save my form as FRM login. Yes, I saved my form as FRM login. So here I need to add two text boxes. One is to enter the username and other one is to enter the password. So there, go to the design tab, then select text box and place your text box like this, and copy and paste another text box. So here I want to change the I want to rename my first text box as enter username. Then here, second text box, enter password. Right. Then I'll increase the font size of these two text boxes to 14, and I want to change the font colors to black. Then go to layout view. So here you can adjust. Yeah. Yes. Now I designed my login form like this. Now this is the interface of my login form. So there I have in my login form there are two buttons. So I want to rename my button as. I want to name my button as. So I want to create another two forms. in addition to the login form. Then go to the create tab, then click on the blank form and save your form as FRM dash, and this is for dashboard. Right click and go to design view, then add a form header. I want to add the same color. Then go to design tab and select label and place your label on the form header. Then name your form as dashboard, and I want to increase the font size. Font color, I want to keep font color white and bold like this. So this is the dashboard, and I want to create another form called for admin panel. So there I create two user levels, so 2 or 3 user levels. Therefore I want to create another form called admin panel. Then again click on the create tab and select a blank form. Right click and go to design view, and then after that you need to add a form header. Then right click and add a purple color. Then go to the design view and add a label. Then set your form name as admin panel. Increase the font size. Set your font color to white. Then save your form as FRM admin panel and click OK. Now basically I created 3 forms for my login form. I created 3 forms related to my login form. First one is for login form. I name it as FRM login. Another one is for dashboard, and the final one is for admin panel. Now for this purpose I want to add a module. So add a module. Now the form, what we call tables and forms are okay. Now I want to add several details for my TBL login table. Just say username. I want to give common username, and username is user. Just say user login. I want to assign a number. Sorry, username is user. Then the user login. Here the user type is 2 and the password is 456. Yes, I added 2 users for my database. Okay, this is helpful to test my database after I designed this one. Then close the TBL user form. Then you need to open FRM or login form. Then right click on your login form and select design view. Under design view, click your OK button. Then again right click and select build event. So under the build event, you need to open VBA window, because here we want to write several codes for the login part. So here I have already typed my code here. To save your time, Control C. Then under the CMD enter, under the OK button, I have named my OK button as CMD enter. So under the click event, you need to paste your code like this. Now save your code. Then here, to record logout time, we need to add a module. Go to insert, then select module. So under the module 1, you need to place this part, public current login ID as long. Then you need to save your module. Now let's check our work. Now I am going to form view of my login form. Then I am going to enter the username, user, and the password is I have given 123 as my password. Then click OK. Okay. There we need we did a small mistake. So here I want to rename my text boxes as like this. This one is txt username. And this one, the second text box, I want to name as txt password. Now go to the form view. Now username is user and the password is 123. Then click on the OK button. So once you click on the OK button, so this message pop-ups. Then press yes button. So once you press the yes button, admin panel loads. The admin panel loads and just open the TBL login details form. You can see login time is recorded in detail like this. So the second mission is to record the logout time for this specific user. So to do that, just click on the admin panel, design view, then go select build event, then choose code builder. Under the code builder, what you should do is you need to select form. Under the form unload event. So yeah, the form here is the form unload event. So under the form unload event, you need to write this line of code. Control C, Control V. So by this method, when you close your admin panel or the admin form, then it will record the logout time. So here last login ID, the current login ID is addressed by this module. You can see. So that is why we declare a public variable under the module 1. So it's helpful to identify the last login, the current login ID. Just save your code and close this set of codes and go to the Microsoft database again. Then what happens if you click this close button? Then again you are asked. Then again a pop-up message will appear. Then press yes button. Then you see logout time recorded, the login ID 1. Click OK button. Then just double click and see. You can see logout time is recorded correctly. So what happens? So just let's exit from the database, and again I want to log my database. Then I am going to open my database again. User 123. Then click OK button. Then again what happens? Login details recorded. You see login details recorded. So now I want to record logout time for this login part for this user. I want to record the logout time for this specific user. Then what happens if I close this admin panel form? Again a message pop-ups. So if I click yes, what happens? It records the logout time for the login ID 2. Then just click on the login details table. Then you can see correctly it recorded the logout time for the second user. So likewise, you can create very successful login form with Microsoft Access database with login details. Here specifically, you can record correct login date and login date and time and logout date and time for a specific user correctly. So I think you got something from my. So I think I expect to learn something from my explanation. So try to create a login form for yourself. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under video comment section. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and also